Hello, I'm John Richards, and I'd like to introduce you to Hyla U.S. and tell you about an incredible opportunity to join our company's direct marketing sales force. Now more than ever, Americans are aware of their environment and the effect it has on their family's health. We're more self-conscious in improving the environment, not only outside, but also inside our very own homes. Mother Nature has created a unique way to clean the air, making it possible for us to live on this planet. Have you ever realized how fresh the air smells after a summer shower? Didn't you enjoy breathing the air? Rain, dew, fog, and snow clean the air by trapping airborne particles while washing them to the ground. It's the self-purification of nature with water. Worldwide, outside air pollution is a very serious problem. In the U.S., the Environmental Protection Agency has set stricter standards to improve the quality of the air we breathe. But what about the quality of air in our homes? The statistics are eye-opening. The air inside our homes is 2 to 5 times, occasionally even 100 times more polluted than the outside, according to studies by the EPA. The ordinary filth from the bottom of our shoes, the pets, smoke, shedding dead skin, dust mite droppings, and hundreds of other sources are trapped in every home. On average, we inhale 40,000 to 75,000 dust particles per breath. That's a teaspoon of dust daily in your family's lungs. 17 million people, including 4.8 million children in the United States, suffer from asthma, and to them, dust isn't just a matter of cleanliness. There is a solution thanks to the Hyla NST, a unique water bath filtration cleaning system which uses only water as a filter. It's now possible to wash the air inside our homes the way Mother Nature cleans the air outside. Hyla's efficient water bath filtration traps dust, pollen, and allergens and forces the air through a water bath. A specially designed state-of-the-art separator separates the air from the water so only clean, water-washed air is returned back into the room. Odors are thoroughly washed out. You also can add a few drops of Hyla fragrances to aromatize the air with your favorite scent, as well as Hyla disinfectants to sanitize. The conventional filters, microfilters, HEPA filters, and electrically charged filters used in most air cleaners or vacuum cleaners allow small particles to pass right through the filter and be recirculated back into the air we breathe. The filters clog up after a short period of usage, causing restricted airflow and consequently a loss of performance. Do you like to change the dirty vacuum bag? Hyla International headquarters are located in Stuttgart, Germany. The internationally certified and award-winning Hyla cleaning systems have been manufactured since 1991, and Hyla systems are already sold in more than 30 countries. The exclusive importer for the United States is Hyla U.S. Gassmann Incorporated, located in South Florida and founded in 1996. We utilize the latest technology and highly trained personnel to ensure efficient and professional business demeanor nationwide. Shipping, receiving, service, administration, and nationwide marketing are operated from this location. Hyla systems are sold by in-home demonstrations, allowing prospects a first-hand opportunity to learn about the advantages of this unique product. Since every household has its individual problems regarding dust and dirt removing, no other method is more effective. Seeing is believing, and in our case, prospects can also smell the difference. The Hyla is a phenomenal product, and the business opportunities are tremendous with an unlimited market. Hyla associates are motivated individuals who are or want to be self-employed and strive for success. Our promotional programs are based on performance, not seniority, so there's no limit to your success. We offer several incentives, including monthly contests based on sales quotas for free Hylas and programs to support dealers opening their own distributorship. The expertise of a national sales manager, supervisors, and experienced staff are available to set up new offices. You can get started as a dealer out of a distributor's office and get promoted to a distributor without crawling up the corporate ladder.
I'm Hartmut Gassmann, President and CEO of Hyla US Gassmann Incorporated. When my wife and I introduced Hyla to the US market, it was our dream and goal to build a successful nationwide business. Today we are very proud of our growth and of all the great people working with us who share that dream. With our promotional program you can reach any level based on performance. I would be glad to welcome you as a member of our Hyla US team.